channel Programming with Ryan. So I will tell you, here is coming a CSS tutorial. So it is a first class of CSS and series is started of CSS. So now in this class I will tell you introduction to CSS. What is CSS? CSS, how to use CSS. That video is coming. Okay, just wait. But in this class I will tell you intro to CSS. So let's start the video and see how to intro. And I hope you can enjoy this class and enjoy this series. Please like this video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel. So now I will not take you long time. So let's start the video of CSS first video. So now let's start. Introduction to CSS. It is my first class of CSS of tutorial. So now first of all you have a one text editor. I have Sublime text editor. I have working. You have any bracket atom, you can work on it. But I so my brain says you have Sublime text editor, so it is best. So I will be open my Sublime text editor. So I will erase it. So first of all, go to the file and new file. So make the file and of HTML. Okay. Then I will go to the file and save it and desktop go to. And here I will save my file name is index.html. Then enter press. So just save it on desktop. Then I will open file. So I will be side by side it because you are a beginner level and it is my first class of CSS. So I will tell you a detail by detail. Here I will write HTML. So here I will write intro to CSS. Then here, what here you can write? Of your heading you can write anything, but your title is, my title is intro to CSS because this is my video title. So here I will write intro to CSS, then save, then even. So here is come tag. So here you can write anything, your name, any else. It is not the problem. You can write my thing. Okay. H1. Here you can write introduction to CSS. Save, refresh. So here you can see it. Intro to CSS is come. And now style. So here I will be style. Style means in style you can CSS means styling. Okay. The main thing of CSS is styling. Okay. Then here I will style on HTML and here I will write like H1 color should be blue. Save, refresh. So here I will be style the text. I will be style this text and it is coming in a blue color. It is CSS means styling. Okay. I will not telling you what CSS means. I will in next class I will tell you what is CSS. So I will tell you in that class all things how to use CSS, what is CSS. Okay. So I will only telling you what CSS means. In that CSS means like styling. CSS means styling. Okay. And you can style on the CSS file also. Oh, no, it is not important. You can and style only. You can be go to the index.html file and style it on HTML. It is not important. Okay. You can style on CSS file of style.css name. Okay. Then means you can making a file of CSS in first you can write style means CSS means styling. So you can first of all write style then dot CSS. It is main important thing you have learned and your concept will be clear what is CSS. Okay. So in that class I will only tell you that. So I hope you can enjoy this class. So I will meet you in next class for HTML. So for today, goodbye.